Hello, sixth graders. We are moving on to a new part of our unit. We're going to be looking at percents. So first, percent and rates per 100. This is lesson 24. Okay, so pretend you're out shopping. You want to purchase an item that is $100, but today it is 20% off. What does that mean? Well, it means that $20, which is 20% of 100, will be subtracted from the total. So we can use a tape diagram to model it. 10 blocks, each representing $10. 2 would be shaded, that's the 20%, or a 100 block grid where 20 of them are shaded. Both mean the same thing. So let's look at another example. So Rob's fruit farm consists of 100 acres on which 3 different types of apples grow. On 25 acres, the farm grows Empire apples. McIntosh apples grow on 30% of the farm. The remainder of the farm grows Fuji apples. Find how many blocks out of 100 would be shaded in for each type of apple. First, we have Empire. 25 out of 100 acres are Empire, so 25 blocks would be Empire, which is also 25%. So McIntosh apples grow on 30% of the farm. Well, if we know that 25 acres is 25%, 30% is going to be 30% of the 100 acres, or 30 acres. So 30 blocks would be McIntosh. Now it says the remainder is Fuji. 25 plus 30 is 55. 100 minus 55 is 45. Or 70 minus 30, if we did it that way. So 45% of the farm is Fuji apples. And if you would add up all the percents, you're going to get 100%. Okay? What about this one? Mr. Brown shares with the class that 70% of the students got an A on the English vocabulary quiz. If Mr. Brown has 100 students, create a model to show how many of the students received an A on the quiz. Well, if we know it's 70% of 100, that means 70 students got an A. And we can take 10 blocks, each representing 10 students. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70%, or 70 of the students got an A. Okay, which is 7/10, so what we used here. So your assignment is going to have you select the diagram that shows a certain percent. So here, we're going to select the diagram that shows 75%. Now, we know that 25, 25, 25, and 25 equals 100. So 75 is 3 of those, so we should have 4 parts. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, has 5 parts. This one down here is 4. 3 are shaded, meaning 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 75. So it's going to be the second one. Go ahead and think about this one on your own. Remember, it's part of 100. So 33 and the third percent out of 100. When you're ready, hit play to see what the answer is. So if we were to add 33 and the third to itself, we'd get 66 and 2/3, and one more time we'd get 100. So we know that it needs to be 3 broken up parts, and only one of them should be shaded. So it's going to be this first one. Okay, another one for you to work on your own. When you're ready, hit play to see the answer. So 40, we can break 100 into 5 parts of 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 40 would be 2 of those, so we need 2 shaded pieces, just here, out of 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this shows 40%. All right, so your assignment is on IXL. You're going to be completing or working on the skill 6-S.2, which is understanding percents in strip models. So that's what we were just looking at. If you have questions or are still confused, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great Tuesday.